360-degree reality.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys see at the title, this makeup, these faces, I look different, right? Yeah, because for today's video I'm just gonna do a recreate makeup. So I do this makeup is from ELAINEPARK. Dia bikin tutorial makeup for the Monolid eye. So I'm curious gimana ceritanya kalau misalnya aku pakai. Even though that I'm not really a monolid eye, I still have the eyelid, even though it's really small. So if you want to know how can I make this, you can watch ELAINEPARK, or maybe you want to watch me how I'm do it, just watching this video. So we are gonna go to my bare face. Okay, so before she start using her makeup, she just using some moisturizer and sunscreen. It's because I've already used it, so I'm gonna skip it. Okay, so jadi pertama-tama she is using her CC cream. So here I'm just gonna using my caution. It does the same thing. Okay, I'm done with the caution. After doing the base, dia lanjutin ke eyebrow. Okay, eyebrow done, and dia lanjut ke contour. Kita kikis wajah ini yang bulat ini. Jadi dia tuh ngelakuinnya di gitu. Much harder when you doing this side because you should like this. Okay, ini udah. Terus kita lanjut ke kontur hidung, kita kikis hidung hidungnya. Okay, terus dia tuh caranya tuh dari sini ke sini gitu. And then here, and then now I'm just gonna put in some highlight on my nose here. Okay, and next she is using a blush on. It's because I don't have any blush on with a pink color, so I'm just gonna using my lipstick. It's okay. Gak punya warna yang persis banget, jadi aku bakal cari warna yang mirip-mirip, dan ini warnanya paling mirip. Terus just using, jadi dia dipakai itu di bawah mata sini, terus itu di dekat aja gitu. Okay, I need a mirror. Okay, I look red. Blush on selesai, and we are moving on into the eye. This is the game changing, okay? Oke, jadi dicampurin kayak warna coklat gitu, coklat kayak rada oranye gitu, jadi aku campurin warna coklat sama oranye gitu. Oke, terus habis itu kalau udah coklat gini, dia bakal pakai di bawah lower lash line namanya, bakal pakai yang warna kayak peach coral pink gitu. Terus habis itu dia pakai shimmer lagi di atas mata lagi dipakai. Terus habis itu di ujung mata ini dia pakai warna hitam. She's using a black color. I'm scared. Okay. I never using any black color of eyeshadow on my eyes before. Okay. Eyeshadow shimmer yang kayak warnanya emas gitu di bawah sini. So after this, she's using her eyeliner because my eye is totally different from her because I have a little bit of eyelid in here. My eye is not totally monolid, so I'm just gonna do an eyeliner with my style, just my style, okay?
Ya, jadi eyelinernya aku bakal gambar sesuai yang biasanya mataku aja. Soalnya mata dia itu kan monolid banget. Kalau aku kan masih ada eyelidnya, jadi rada beda caranya.
Oke, jadi aku bikin eyeliner off cam karena it's a little bit trouble. And yeah. Okay. Habis itu next we are gonna do our lashes. Bulu mata ya. Ini part paling susah karena bulu mata aku tuh bandel banget, bener-bener nggak bisa naik gitu loh. But I try, okay. Using two mascara, I'm just gonna use one because I just have one, okay? Yeah. Terus habis itu dia pakai lips. Bisa dipakai kayak warna merah campur red pink color gitu di sini. Oke, terus habis itu dia pakai lip gloss tapi kayak warnanya rada gelap. So I'm just gonna use a glass tint. Ini warnanya lumayan gelap, jadi ya ini untuk di dalam. Terus habis itu dia pakai lipstick untuk seluruh bibir ya. Habis itu kata dia jangan lupa buat cek gigi. Siapa tahu ada lipstick nyangkut. Yeah. So let me do the hairstyle first. I'm just feeling this is not myself. It's a different person. I think it's good. It's like making your eyes look bigger more without any scut. Or you can use this makeup without using any scut or any kind of fake lashes, because yeah, you just can do this and your eyes is like more pop out, you know. It can help your eyes with a monolid eyes, but it's just not myself. I don't really like smoky eye. It makes my face look scary. It just not suit to me. See? Okay. Okay, so honestly I really like this kind of makeup, but I'm just really not having any confidence of using this makeup because yeah. So shout out to ELAINEPARK because I really like this makeup, but yeah, it's just not myself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe this channel if you're not already, and subscribe to ELAINEPARK too. Thank you guys, bye bye. And also she said that when people try to do this makeup, when she do her friend's makeup with this look, her friend it just look like her. So what do you think? Do I look like her? Not really. Okay, comment down below. Yeah. No, not really. I'm not the same. She's so beautiful and I'm not. So yeah, bye.